Hey guys, what's up? So all of my family members in rural Jamaica, remember you can still ship your items. Where you gone? You can still ship your items with us, right? Listen, you're in rural Jamaica. You need a shipping company to ship your items from overseas, and then you get to go and pick them up in comfort, AC comfort at Knoxford Express. So everybody in rural Jamaica, remember you do have a shipping company. Alright, so don't worry yourself. Come along, sign up today. There's a link somewhere here or in the description box. Go ahead, click on the link, join us today. Rural Jamaica, we're looking out for you. See that? Knoxford Express, we'll bring your packages down. So we're going right down to Knoxford. You can go there with your ID. You don't need no money, just go with your ID and pick up your items. Alright? So all of my family members them in the country, love up. The packages are coming down. Show them the packages in the line. They're coming down to you. Alright? Bye. Wagwan. Don't stop rolling. I'm talking to this young lady. Oh. No, I'm not good. Keeping this right here. You're rolling same way? What are you doing, ma'am?
I'm fine.
You're fine. What is your name?
My name is Terian Loni.
Terian?
Loni.
Terian Loni.
Loni?
Loni! Terian Loni. And that's your son.
Yeah.
What's his name?
His name is Tashan.
Tashan. Tashan, say hi to everybody on the internet.
Say hi.
Hi. So guys,
Shy.
Terian. So guys, we're doing a video and Terian say, I say, oh, are you from the shipping company? I say, yes, it's me. So we're interviewing. You have a business, you say, right?
Yes, I do.
Alright, you have a business and you're going to ship wood, don't it? Yes?
Hi guys, my name is Terian.
Yes?
And yes, I always on Instagram advertise on Pink Wall and I just met them. Instantly from I see the amount of packages, I know it's them. They're legit guys, like legit. I'm gonna follow them right now. I'm not following you guys as yet, but
Alright, you should follow us. Yes.
I'm gonna follow
I will
them.
give away free coupons on our social media sites, so you should follow us. Right?
Really?
Yeah, what kind of business is it?
I do skin and ear care.
Oh, skin and ear care. You hear
Yeah.
that? You hear that, guys? If you want to get your skin and your ear care, come! There's sun run down the corridor. If you want to get your ear and your skin thing, you need to link that up, alright? Thank you so much for the pick up, yeah? Come on. You should not say your business name. Tell them the business name.
It's called good.girls.products on Instagram. You can follow guys.
Alright guys, you hear that? You can follow, remember you can follow us, just search for our name on Instagram, any social media platform and you find us, alright? So we're going to deliver the packages down to Knoxford. Remember, click the link, join us today, alright? Bye bye!